No matter how seasoned a chef you are, there are always new ingredients and recipes to get fired up about. So, if a tired old recipe is getting you down, spice it up with fresh ideas and flavours.
The mystery ingredient, tofu. Yes, 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 I know. Shh, 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 shh. Tofu. No, no, stop. Listen. No, stop. Stop.
Dessert. The most amazing, light, exciting chocolate mousse that can be put together in literally minutes. Now, two key techniques. The first one is a bain-marie. That's a pan of water with a bowl over it to melt the chocolate.
Okay, this is a vegan chocolate dish. And this is fantastic because actually we got the benefits of having less saturated fat, so it's healthier, but you can really, really taste the quality of the chocolate. So this is how we roll, guys. We're starting off with really good quality dark chocolate. 85% cocoa solids, 2 packs of these, 200 grams.
Now, kettle's already boiled. Basically, 1/3 up in the pan. Nothing more than that. And the steam generated from that gentle simmer will help melt the chocolate quickly. Break the chocolate up into small bits. The smaller the bits, the quicker it becomes liquid. And obviously chocolate is the key ingredient to the chocolate mousse, so this is a really good quality dark chocolate.
Give it a slap. And let's open up our chocolate and just let that sprinkle in, bowl, over some water. Now, this will slowly melt into the bowl. Just give it a little stir every 30 seconds or something like that, but don't rush it.
Second stage, whipping the cream. Now, the important part here is whipping the cream to a 3/4 stage. If we over-whip it, it will split, so be very careful.
Then the tofu. This is the point where cream would normally go into some kind of chocolate mousse or some sort of chocolate pot. Just put it into a clean tea towel. It has to be clean. So there's 1 pack and 2 packs. So there's 700 grams of tofu in that clean tea towel. Grab up the corners and bring it together and twist it and get rid of the residual excess moisture. Go.
Double cream in, and it's so easy to whip cream when it's really nice and cold. Tablespoon of ice and sugar, straight in to the cream, and then a balloon whisk. The larger the balloon, the quicker it whips.
Go into a food processor, throw in all of the tofu, just like that. Just the zest of 1 lime here. Give it a whack. So go in with 1 tablespoon of beautiful dark rum. Then I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. You can use extract, but this paste, I just love the flavour. It's really, really good. A little pinch of salt.
Now, when we whisk things, we whisk it in the shape of a figure of 8. Therefore, it whips a lot quicker.
Back. Now, 160 grams of maple syrup, which is basically all of this. I'm going to take my chocolate off the heat now. You can see this is completely melted. Look at that. Beautiful. So let this cool down. I'm going to whiz this up for about 2 minutes to get super silky smooth. Then I'll start adding the chocolate.
A figure 8. And if you spin the bowl as you whip the cream, you get to release it from the bottom so it whips evenly. Don't be scared to pass the ball around and get 2 or 3 of your guests to get a quick whip as well. Whisk, whisk, whisk.
OK, so let's have a little look in here. I mean, look at that. I mean, it is chocolate heaven. You know, it's totally convincing. I know you weren't convinced by the tofu at the beginning.
It's getting to a 3/4 stage now, and it should just sit inside the whisk and start to sort of fall out. Just perfect. 3/4 stage, double cream, done.
Let's have a little taste. Oh, really, really good.
The chocolate has now melted. Take it off the heat. That's what we're looking for. A really nice, liquid, shiny chocolate. Beautiful.
So I'm just going to edge it out. And this is a chocolate pot, so we don't want loads. If you want to put it into something and shake it flat, you can. But I quite like seeing the ripples, because you see just how silky it is then. Vegan chocolate pots, I hope you love it. Give it a go. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. What would you do with this?